Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Gaming Basics. In today's video, I will be teaching you guys how to adjust your Meta Quest 3. So at first, all you have to do is just take out your navigation bar pressing the Meta button on your controller. And as your navigation bar pops up, go in the apps on library, select it and click it with the right trigger. And as your menu pops up, just scroll down until you see the option Hit Set Fit and Focus and just select it and press the right trigger button on your controller. And from here, do as it says. And that's how you adjust your Meta Quest 3. If you find our video helpful, please leave a like and please do not forget to subscribe our channel. Also hit the bell icon to get updates with our latest videos. And drop a comment for reviews and more content like this. I will see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.